Hello, class 8. This is your chapter number 18, that is conjunctions, given on page number 128 in your grammar books. You know that in parts of speech we have 8 parts of speech, and among them, one is conjunctions as well. So, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words used to connect sentences, words, phrases, and clauses. They are called connectors or linkers also because they connect two parts of a sentence, or they are a link between two parts of a sentence. You have been reading this chapter since long time, so there's not much to explain in this chapter, so we'll finish this chapter quickly. All right, students, so let's see the examples of conjunctions. This school is very good and the teachers are excellent. So you can see that the two part of the sentence, that is the school is very good and the teachers are excellent, are co-joined, or they are connected through a word that is and that is your conjunctions. Then see the second example. Should I take the bus or should I go by an auto rickshaw? So again, two parts of a sentence is being connected through a word that is or. So and, or, but, otherwise, either, neither, so, therefore, these are your conjunctions, examples of conjunctions. Now let's see kinds of conjunctions. And, but, and, or are the most common conjunctions. We can use it on daily basis. Some other conjunctions are so, for, neither, nor, still, and so. They are used to join two words. See the example. Mona likes to eat bread and jam. So what she likes to eat? Bread as well as jam. So here we have used and to join these two part of the word. Then Shivani's cheerful nature and attractive personality. So what are the two things? That is cheerful nature and attractive personality. Help her to make friend easily. So these are her two nature because of which she makes friend easily. Alright. Now let's see use of and. We use and to join similar statement or facts, like whenever there are two similar statements, we for joining them we use and. We can also use also to, as well as, not only, but also as conjunction for the same purpose, like he is an intelligent and honest boy. See, both things are in favor of this boy. We are telling something good about this boy, so both things are similar statement, that is why we are using and. Then see the second example. He got ready and left for office. Then see example. She ate an apple and a banana for breakfast. Alright. Then the next one is use of but. We use but to state a contrast between two statements or fact, means when there are two things that are in opposite or they are in contrast with each other. Sometimes we use but to express oppositions also. Now see the example to get it more clear. A example, she tried her best but she could not complete the assignment on time. So you can see that there's a contrast between these two statements, that she tried her best, that is the first part, and the contrast is that still she couldn't complete her work. So that is in contrast or in the opposite. Then he is sharp but very careless. So again, this thing is in contrast with each other. That means he's sharp, he's very intelligent, he's very bright student. But the problem, what is the problem with that person? That he is careless. Then see example. See, she was invited to the party but did not attend it. So she was invited, she was given an invitation to attend the party, but she did not attended it. And that is a contrast between these two sentence. Then next is use of or otherwise. We use or to express a choice between two options. So why we use or? To show some choice. When there is a choice between two options, then we use or. Like, she will have to pay a higher rent or vacate the house. So she has an option. Either you pay higher rent or leave the house. This is the option and you have to choose one. Then B option, B example, will you renovate the house or sell it off? So now what is the option? Either you have to renovate the house or sell it. Then she can wear the blue dress or the red one. So you have option between two dresses that either you wear blue or red one. I hope this is clear. Now let's see the next topic, that is joining sentences with conjunctions. You should know how to join sentences using conjunctions. We can use conjunctions like therefore, neither, nor, nevertheless, alternatively, either, or, whereas, and still to join sentences. Let's see how we can do that. See example A. She was sick. She did not go to work. See, now we are using therefore to join these two parts. So how it is framed? See the example. She was sick. Therefore, she did not go to work. Then B example is the parents did not attend the marriage. The children did not attend the marriage. So here we are using neither and nor. Neither the parents nor the children attended the marriage. So here we are using it in this way. Then C example. She can go to the auditorium to watch the inauguration ceremony. She can watch the CD recording later. How it is formed? She can watch the inauguration ceremony in the auditorium. Alternatively, she can watch the CD recording later. So she has an alternative that either she can go and watch the inauguration ceremony in the stadium by herself, or she can watch it later in the CD recording. Then D example, he can play cricket with friends. He can watch the cricket match on TV. So he has now options. So here we are using either and or. See, neither and nor are used when both things are not done. Either or not, you have like either do that or that. Again, there is an option for that. See how it is framed. He can either play cricket with friends or watch the cricket match on TV. So he's an option. He has an option. Then E example, Reena makes friends in no time. Her brother is shy. Reena makes friend in no time, whereas her brother is shy. Means she is good in making friends, but her brother is shy. Then see example F. She has watched the play several times earlier. She enjoys watching it again and again. So how it is formed? See, she has watched the play several times earlier. Still, she enjoys watching it again and again. Means again, she still watches it and she's again enjoying it. Then see exercise A. You have to select the suitable conjunction given in bracket. See the first one. Varun went to the bookshop and bought pens. See, why are we using and? Because he went to the bookshop and he bought pens. So both things are in favor of that. Then second, is Mr. Kapoor at home or is he at work? So we are asking for the option. Either he has to be in home or he's in the office. Then third, Anjali was invited to the wedding but did not attend it. So it is in contrast. Fourth, keep the door closed or the dog will run out. Means if you are not going to do that, the dog will go out. Fifth, I sat near the lake and admired its beauty. Again, both are in favor. Sixth, Manoj liked the trousers, so he decided to buy them. Means after he liked the trousers, so he has decided that now he has to buy them. Seventh, it was very dark outside, but she did not get scared. So it is in contrast that it is dark. Usually people get scared, but she did not get scared. So that is why we are using but here. Eighth, Deepika was very hungry, therefore she gobbled up the food. Ninth, either you go or out or I will. Means either you go or I will go. 10th, Ram as well as Shyam was punished. Please remove that comma that is after as well as is a conjunction that is used here. Then exercise B is use conjunction mentioned in bracket to join the given sentences. I am telling you orally. After this video will be finished, I will show you the answers in written form. First one you have to use but and you have to join them. So what will be the answer of the first one? Answer will be she went to the office twice but was not able to meet him. This is your first answer. Second is he is lazy. His elder brother is very active. You have to use whereas. So what will be the answer? He is lazy whereas his elder brother is very active. Third is Reena can read storybooks. She can read biographies of great people. You have to use alternatively. How it will be formed? Reena can read storybooks. Alternatively, she can read biographies of great people. Means she can do both things. Then, fourth, the students did not enjoy the magic show. The teacher did not enjoy the magic show. How it will be formed? Neither the students nor the teacher enjoyed the magic show. Next is he was very poor. He used to give food to beggars. What will be the answer? He was very poor, still he used to give food to beggars. Sixth is the taxi drivers declared a general strike. The auto rickshaws were plying on the roads. The taxi drivers declared a general strike, still the auto rickshaws were plying on the roads. Next, seventh, she can go to college by bus, she can go by the local train. What will be the answer? She can go to college either by bus or by local train. Eighth, he visited the library several times. He did not find the book he wanted. What will be the answer? He visited the library several times but did not find the book he wanted. So this is the answer of this exercise B. Don't worry if you have not followed something. I will show you the answer in written form as well. Now see the C exercise. Complete these sentences by adding conjunction given in bracket and a few words of your own. You can frame it according to your wish also, but whatever I have written, if you want, you can write that as well. The movie was interesting but very romantic. Second, the village was developed, still it did not have a school, or you can, it still did not have a cinema hall, or whatever you feel like, you can write that. Third, she performed well in the elocution contest and won the prize. See, when there is something, suppose we are using conjunction but, you have to go in contrast with that sentence. If suppose there is and, then you have to write it in favor of that. Next, fourth is mother is going out with friends but I will stay at home. See, you can see this is in contrast, that mother is going out but I am staying at home. Then fifth, the boys will either play or study. Next is use of although. We use although, though, even though and even if to suggest contrast. Like, see the examples. He did not win the first prize although he ran very fast. So you can see that again this is in contrast. That although he ran very fast, he did not win the prize. Then they went for a stroll though the weather was not fine. Then the temperature was low even though it was sunny. So you can see that they are in contrast with each other. The baby will not stop crying even if you hold it in your arms. So in this way we have to do the next exercise. Complete the following sentences by adding your own words. The stadium was full of people though it was raining heavily. So again you can see it is in contrast, that although or though it is raining heavily, the stadium was full of people. What it was supposed to be? It should not be full of people, no? But it is. So it is in contrast. Then second, he went up the hill although it was steep. Means it was not easy to go up, but still he went up. Then third, she will not respond even if you call her continuously. Again, it is in contrast with that. The artist was not appreciated even though he had worked hard. Alright. Next is use of that if whether. See the example. She told him that she did not like burgers. She asked him if or whether he liked burgers. Kamal said that he would write a letter soon. She wondered if he would write a letter soon. So these sentences show that if, whether, that also function as conjunction as they connect words phrases. So these are words used to connect two parts of the sentence. See example E, filling the blanks with that or if whether. See the first one, she said that she had prepared lunch for us. Second, he asked whether I was going to reach early. Third, he told her that Agra was an amazing place. Fourth, she asked if I was fine. Now you can see the answer of this exercise B here. that we have done, uh, pause it for some time and write all the answers correctly. Okay, sorry for that. Just see if you can write it properly, and if you have still not able to write it, you can hear whatever answers I have said. You can hear those and write all the answers properly, correctly in your language copies. As you know, this is going to come for your final exam, so it is important. Now I'm doing it till here. In the next video we will start with whatever is left in this chapter, and we will try to finish this chapter. It is a very easy chapter. You know what is conjunctions. All right, so do everything properly. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.